If you've been scrolling online and stumbled upon Valuchi Watches, you might be wondering if this brand is actually worth your money or just another overhyped name in the watch market. So in this video, we're going to take a close look at whether ValuchiWatches.com is legit or a scam and what you really need to know before buying. Valuchi claims to offer stylish and affordable watches for men and women, featuring collections like the Lunar Calendar and the Date Master series, both promoted as being made from stainless steel with sapphire crystal, which sounds premium at first glance. But when we dig deeper, the picture is not entirely clear. The website's history shows that the domain isn't very old, which raises questions about long-term credibility. On social media, the brand does have some presence, but engagement levels appear inconsistent, suggesting that their popularity might not be as strong as advertised. When it comes to transparency, there's little information about the actual founders or the team behind the company, which can make buyers hesitant since reputable watch brands usually highlight their heritage and leadership. Customer support seems responsive in some cases, but not in others, with mixed reports about how issues are handled, particularly with returns and refunds. User reviews are divided. Some buyers are satisfied with the design and overall look of the watches, while others complain about delayed shipping, quality not matching the price, and difficulties in contacting support. So what does all of this mean? Valuchi is not an outright scam, but it doesn't fully prove itself as a trusted premium watch brand either. It sits in a gray area where you could end up with a decent watch for the money or face frustrations with service and reliability. Watch till the end to decide if taking the risk is worth it for you.